Here's a pair of Bose 700 Bluetooth headphones. I'm going to show you how to connect this to a Sony TV, okay? Sony Smart TV. This is the Sony TV that has Google TV. You can see the Google TV on the right-hand side. Anyway, very simple here, okay? So first things, we got to go to the settings, the Bluetooth settings on the TV. You can click on the home button. And once you're here, you want to go to the settings, the gear icon, top right-hand side. So I'm going to go up, then I'm going to go right, keep moving over to the right. Oops, the settings right there. And then go ahead and click on OK. And then from here, we're going to go down to remotes and accessories right down here. And then we're going to move over to the right. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. And then we're going to go down one to pair accessory, okay? Click on that. Now it's searching for any device that are in pairing mode. So these, let's put this in pairing mode. Let me turn these off first. I know it's on because the solid white light. Okay, it's off now. Now let's go ahead and turn it on. Power button is up here, not here, it's up here. So tap on that. Okay, now you should get a blue pulsating light on here. Okay, so you have a solid white light down here because it's on, and you have this blinking blue that is in pairing mode. Okay, so it's searching, it should find it. Okay, it didn't find it. Let me just go back. I'm clicking the back button, and now I'm going to pair accessory again, and it's still in pairing mode here. Okay, now we should find it here. It's still blinking blue here, so come on. Where's it at? Okay, I'm having issues here, so let me go ahead and click on the back button here. Now let's wait for this, okay? Let's go back here onto the headphones here, and let me just go ahead and reset these, okay? I'm going to press and hold this power button for 10 or 15 seconds. I'm just going to keep on holding. This is Bluetooth off. Bluetooth device list cleared. Now let me let go, and now it's back into pairing mode, okay? So now let me go back to pair accessory. So you can see right there. Now this is already in pairing mode, and this is searching. Oh, there it is on top. The NC700, so let's click on right there. It says pairing. You can see I'm still getting a blinking blue light here. It'll turn solid once it actually connects, okay? It says pairing. Okay, Bluetooth pairing request is highlighted on pair already. So let's select that. Still blinking blue. Now it's rapid blinking. It says connecting. It's going to connect soon. It just said connected to so-and-so TV. Got a solid light here, so we know that we're connected. And you can see right down here, the Bose 700 headphones. So pretty simple. Any questions or issues, just comment below. All right, good luck, guys.